Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD. Okay, and if you have watched my previous video or yesterday's video on gold USD, then you can recognize this pattern when I told you that though market is just standing at the support, then still there was a possibility that market will go down. Yes, market went down after that. Just look at this big fat red candle. And yes, after the FOMC meeting, US dollar became very strong. As a result, currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD also fell sharply. Okay, so let's do the analysis first. Okay, so we all know that overall the trend of the gold USD was towards the upside. Okay, and as I've already discussed in my previous videos, that to consider a trend reversal, we should have an inverted V. Okay, and in a downtrend market, we should have a V pattern to consider it as a trend reversal. And after the yesterday's sell off, okay, after this big fat red candle, okay, right now we have the inverted V pattern. Okay, we have the inverted V pattern now, and just by looking at the chart now, we can consider this as a trend reversal. We cannot say from now onwards that gold USD is still in uptrend. Right now we can clearly see that we have the trend reversal in front of us. Okay, and if we look at this particular portion, and if I just tell you to concentrate on this particular red candle, okay, then also you can see that, okay, just try to imagine the heavy selling pressure. Okay, just try to imagine the heavy selling pressure. Therefore there is no point of looking for buying opportunities or buying order at this particular price level. But yes, there is a catch here. Okay, there is a catch here. Okay, there are several factors that I would like to discuss here. Okay, so we have, okay, this thing is clear to us that yes, FOMC meeting came out, statement came out. After that, US dollar became very strong. There was some heavy sell off. Okay, and right now market is standing at 1812 level. Okay, and if I take you to the currency strength meter, then we can see that, just look at the strength of the US dollar. So you can easily see that in comparison to other currencies how strong US dollar is. Therefore therefore one thing is very clear to us, that this is not the right time to go for buying opportunities, because US dollar will create some trouble for us. Okay, if we trade on gold USD. Okay, then do you think that this is the right opportunity to short the market? Because yes, after this big fat red candle, okay, market is in this range. Okay, 1820 on the upside and 1800 on the downside. So right now you can see that market is trading in this range. So do you think that this is the right opportunity to short the market, or will it be right enough to short the market if market crosses this level, 1800 level? There is a catch here. Okay, let me show you. Instead of weekly chart, okay, right now I'm taking you to the monthly chart. Okay, the monthly chart, the more stable chart, okay, the big chart. So on the monthly chart, you can see that right now, after this big red candle, okay, big red candle, market is just standing at the support zone. Okay, market is just standing at the support zone. See, this is the pivot level. So this is not the opportunity to short the market. Yes, there was opportunity to short the market yesterday, but right now the opportunity is gone. There was opportunity to short the market when I showed you that market has formed a inverted flag pattern, but right now this is not the right time or right thing to short the market. Okay, and dollar is also strong, then this is also not the right time to go for buying opportunities. It's not it. So all the things are very much complicated right now. See, this is the support level on the monthly chart, and you can see that after this heavy selling pressure, when market was falling sharply, this was the level that provided support to the market bounced from this particular price level. Okay, we can see that there was some price rejection from below, which clearly signifies that yes, the support on the monthly chart is a valid support. Okay, that is not some Tom, Dick and Harry kind of support. This is a valid support, therefore we must respect the support. Okay, and US dollar is very strong right now, therefore there is no point of looking for buying opportunities. In case you go for buying opportunities, you may get trapped. Therefore, what should be a strategy? So considering all these factors, okay, considering all these messed up levels and all, okay, there is only one trading opportunity here if you want to trade. Okay, and the only trading opportunity is, you can see that's right now stochastic RSI in the oversold zone. So let the stochastic RSI go up. It is an oscillating indicator. Okay, so it will go up. So when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone, then just look at the position of the price. Okay, if you see that stochastic RSI is in the overbought zone, it is ready to go down again or about to go down. And if you see price trading here or here, okay, then just try to read the market emotion. Just try to read the chart. Try to understand the market psychology. If you see that, price is still struggling, if you see that price is still being dominated by sellers, the market is still being dominated by the sellers, the market is being under the influence of the sellers, then you can short the market. Otherwise, if you see that stochastic RSI has reached the overbought zone, but if market forms a green candle here, okay, big fat green candle, then do not short the market. Just avoid gold USD for today. Okay, until and unless if you see price struggling, do not short term market. Okay, so only opportunity is short term market at the retracement or at the pullback. That is the only opportunity here. Okay, and if you see that price is not struggling, okay, then do not short the market. Avoid gold USD. Personally speaking, okay, in a chart like this, if you are a beginner, if you cannot afford to lose any money, okay, you are only looking for safe trades, then this chart is not for you. This trade is not for you. Okay, you can avoid gold USD for 1 day or 2 day. After a huge sell off like this, okay, let the market cool down a little bit, let the market settle, let the market give us a clear direction, let the market give us some clear signals where we should buy and sell. Right now, only one thing is clear to us, only one clear level is in front of us, that is the support level, this support level. Okay, so in case you short the market at the pullback, keep in mind this will be your target level. Okay, this will be your target level around 1810. This will be your target level. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood the analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.